The Portland man on fraud rap relating to British couple's murder has been remanded.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A 24-year-old person of interest in relation to the murder of an elderly British couple was remanded on fraud charges when he appeared before the Portland Parish Court on Tuesday, July the 10th. Saquina Farr, a resident of Mount Pleasant in Portland, was last week charged with 7 counts of obtaining goods by means of false pretense and a conspiracy to defraud. Farr has not yet been charged in relation to the couple's killing, as investigations are still ongoing. However, police believe that the fraud regarding monies stolen from the couple's account led to their murder. During the court hearing, the prosecution disclosed that they are currently awaiting additional financial statements from local and overseas banks. Investigators have revealed that Farr's mother was employed as a domestic helper with the couple, and that is how he became familiar with them. According to a family member of the Andersons, between August of 2017 and May of 2018, a total of 45 credit card transactions were made at prominent hardware stores and supermarkets in Portland without their knowledge. But in court, the accused man's attorney presented arguments that Farr was given permission by the couple to carry out the transactions. Reports are that after Florence Anderson had reported that some $8 million Jamaican dollars had been stolen from her bank account, she went back to England to get details from her bank to provide more information to the Portland police, to whom she had reported the fraud. Days after coming back to Jamaica, she and her husband were killed. Farr is said to have lived with the couple at one time and was treated as a member of their family. Farr, who was employed as a mechanic at a well-known auto parts dealership in Kingston, was subsequently remanded until Tuesday, July the 31st. Alfred Anderson and his 71-year-old wife Florence were found dead on June the 22nd in close proximity to their home in Mount Pleasant, with their throats slashed and burns on their bodies, which police theorized they got when their home was firebombed. Acting Commissioner of Police ACP Norman Haywood said recently that police are seeking 2 other men in connection with the murder, but are not yet ready to release their details. He said the investigations are at a delicate stage. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.